And so the sun sets on Tiki Oasis 2026. It will rise again in a year, and hopefully we will be there to greet it. It is now Sunday, and we are walking to Tiki Oasis for the last day of our first time at Tiki Oasis.
And I'm wearing the same outfit that I only previously wore yesterday.
Yeah.
For like 2 hours.
Yeah, I wore this for like 2 hours yesterday morning, but it's okay. Yeah, we're gonna go see Charles Phoenix's symposium. We are about to behold the glory, and it was actually super cool. We were in our caftans after the caftan stroll yesterday, and didn't even see him, but Charles stopped us and said something like, "You seem like a couple that really gets it," and asked if we could take our picture in front of this mural for Tiki Oasis, and we chatted for 5 minutes or so. Told him about losing my job, and he was just so encouraging, just talking about the importance of doing stuff that matters to you, creatively in particular, and how inspiring an event like this can be. I previously talked to Otto and told him what a unique first Tiki Oasis experience this was going to be for me in that regard. And he said something similar, not even posing it as a question, not even like an if thing of like not a maybe, about maybe being here will be good for, helping you land the next job or whatever. It was just like, well, this is absolutely what you need, to be ready, to put yourself out there, to have a sense of yourself and your value and your worth and what you want, and go find the next thing, and it'll be great. And I believe that. I believe this has been a really powerful experience, very encouraging, invigorating, refilling the creative batteries and all that. So yeah, it was lovely talking to Charles yesterday, and he put our photo in a video last night of his favorite outfits that he saw at Tiki Oasis. So that was neat. And now we get to go see the presentation, so excited.
We're talking about that gorgeous turquoise. And don't you, like me, love dyed concrete, you guys? That rich faded green with a lot of patina to it and everything. Anyway, the best thing, you guys, when you're going around the trailer park is, any trailer that still has the license plate on it. That is time. That is a deep soul moment. I love when time stands still. I love a time capsule. I love a time warp, and they are rare. But when you're going through a trailer park, and not only A, you get the license plate, B, you get tail lights on a trailer! So you love that? Because that car we just saw, you definitely hook this thing up and pull it away.
You want to get in?
I'm good.
Well, as everybody knows, our bar is the Mechaleka Hideaway, and if anybody would appreciate that, it's this gentleman here, Mr. Tiki Herman.
Hey, Mechaleka cut.
It is Sunday. It is almost the afternoon of Sunday, and we are with our friends Ben and Jen of Lost Routes. We aren't aren't going to get to see them anymore today, but we always love hanging out with them. They're great people, and you should follow them if you don't already. You probably follow them and not us, really.
Well, that means you should follow Mecca Like a Hideaway.
Absolutely. I forget, you have been here before. You're not staying on site just like us.
Correct.
So you can see over here the incredible underpass
Yes.
that we get to experience every time we walk over to Tiki Oasis.
Especially fun at 1 o'clock in the morning when you're coming back from the room party.
No lighting, you guys. No lighting.
Yes.
Every time. Again, I didn't. Oh, I did turn on. Cool. Yeah. Every time I walk through an underpass and feel sketched out, I'm gonna think of you guys.
And yeah, absolutely. Likewise.
That's what we were hoping for.
It is Sunday evening, the final day of Tiki Oasis. We are walking over to see the Strawberry Alarm Clock play. The Strawberry Alarm Clock being announced for this actually is like what put us over the edge. We love them. Amanda is really hoping that they play the song tomorrow. Fingers crossed. I think they will. But yeah, you know, kind of bittersweet. Had a really great last few days here. Made some great friends. Connected with some online folks and turned them into real life friends. I know a bunch of people have already left. So I don't know how many people are going to be at the show. But it was an important part of it for us, so that's what we're doing. We go home, or then we go back to the hotel and pack up and get ready to leave in the morning. All right.
Hey! How come you're like so much louder than mine? You got the cool mic. Hey! Welcome to Tiki Oasis for everybody who's been here all weekend, and if you have not been here all weekend, please raise your hand. Okay, look at those people and tell them how much fun you had on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday and Saturday. And then next time they'll come back. Okay, please do that for me. Somebody next to those people, let them know how much fun you had.
Right now we have one of the most legendary bands playing an extra long set.
Yes.
The Strawberry Alarm Clock, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have it.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
We need a water break or something.
Tomorrow
Thank you. We still don't know how it happened.